This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility. Age and country restrictions matter. Once ready, open Betano on desktop or install the app and click Register. Enter your real name, birth date, and email so verification matches your ID. Make sure your payment method supports deposits for your country. You're doing this now to avoid delays. Accurate initial data prevents verification rejections and speeds up withdrawals later. So double-check spelling and date fields before submitting the form. Next, handle Know Your Customer checks. Upload a crisp photo of your passport or ID and a selfie for facial match. This proves identity quickly. Once done, submit a recent utility bill or bank statement showing your name and address. Make sure the document is within the required date window. Meanwhile, check your email and SMS for verification codes and enter them promptly. These confirm contact details and unlock deposit options. Doing each step carefully avoids repeated requests and speeds account activation. Finally, fund your account. Choose a supported payment option and make a small deposit to confirm the method. Once funded, set deposit or loss limits and enable two-factor authentication if available. These protect your funds and help with compliant play. If verification stalls, take screenshots of error messages and document upload confirmations, then contact customer support with those images attached. That evidence speeds resolution. While waiting, avoid re-uploading identical files, which can create duplicate cases and more delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.